In this video, we'll show you how a product manager can use the Cyclr platform to efficiently build a sustainable and repeatable connector. Imagine a software already provides various APIs for resources like master data for contact management. Now, you need to sync this contact data with popular CRM systems across different scenarios with different integration workflows. The first step is establishing a structured custom connector. Let's take a quick look at how it works. Your team can leverage the custom connector tool to easily create and manage custom connections right here. If your API specification follows the OpenAPI standard in JSON or YAML format, Cyclr makes the process even easier. Simply upload the API specification into Cyclr, and the platform will automatically ingest the details and generate the connector for you, eliminating the need for any manual setup. For a deeper understanding, let's explore how to build a connector manually for greater clarity. The custom connector tool includes versioning features to manage the test, live, and deprecated stages of your connectors seamlessly. Setup is straightforward and form-based, requiring no coding. Begin by configuring the authentication method. Define various methods, such as get, post, put, and delete, within a structured form as shown here. For more advanced use cases, you can configure rate limiting parameters and even add scripts to manipulate integrated data dynamically. Once the setup is complete, you can use the test release function to validate the draft version of your connector. Simply update the connector and perform another test to check how the integration fetches your data in your testing environment. For example, let's consider a getContactById request. If the connection is successful, the retrieved data will appear with a green background, indicating that everything is functioning as expected. I look forward to seeing you create your first connector and unlock the full potential of Cyclr for your integrations. Happy building!